Anupam Kumar, leader, SMS, to present the theme for today's program.
Thank you, ma'am. Honorable Chief Guest, Dr. P.K. Mishra, Professor Chemical Engineering Department, ITBHU. Honorable Guest of Honor, Dr. S.K. Panda, Professor Mechanical Engineering Department, ITBHU. Director Sir, Professor P.N. Jha, Registrar of SMS, Shri Sanjay Gupta ji, members of the faculty, and dear students. Today we at SMS are celebrating the National Energy Conservation Day. Many of us may not be aware that India's energy intensity per unit GDP is 3.7 times that of Japan. 3.7 times. It is 1.4 times the average usage by the whole of Asia. 1.5 times that of USA. What does that mean? It indicates a very high amount of energy wastage and also gives us an idea about the potential of energy saving that can be achieved. Studies have shown that the efficient use of electricity itself can result in saving of up to 23% of the energy what we use. The question what remains is the amount of awareness that we have, that we spread among ourselves. We at SMS had started on to this journey towards green with when we had our first journal, our flagship journal, the Management Insight, as part of as an online journal through the UGC website of the Inflibinet. So we have already started into our journey towards green, and today on the occasion of the National Energy Conservation Day, I take this opportunity to introduce among you all Yog. Yog is a national online essay writing competition on Youth on Green. The topic of Yog, as the name suggests, is Youth on Green, with the sub-themes which could be about how to reuse, recycle, save earth, save paper, save energy, stop pollution, green building, green marketing, green manufacturing, energy conservation, environment protection, water usage and conservation, and non-conventional energy resources. Yog basically is an online essay competition which is open for students of graduation in all streams from various colleges, institutes and universities across India. For participation, the students would have to register register online through the process by logging into our website www.smsvaranasi/yog.htm or by sending us an email at yog@smsvaranasi.com. The medium of this online competition is in English and the word limit is 600 words, which may be broken down into two parts consisting of the original or new idea of the participant in the first 100 words and the explanation of the same in the next 500 words or in any other way as they may wish to do it. The essay would be judged on the basis of the originality of work, ideas, and they would be the property of SMS Varanasi. The top ranking essays will be published on the website. Apart from that, the monetary awards for the top ranking essays would be the first prize of 15,000, second of 10,000 rupees, third of 5,000 and two consolation prize of 2,000 each. Yog, the national online essay writing competition, opens today. That is on the National Energy Conservation Day. And essays will be accepted from participants across India till the World Water Day, which is on the March 22nd, 2012. And the results, the announcement of results would happen on the World Earth Day, which is on April 22nd, 2012. Apart from this, SMS Varanasi had recently taken up yet another initiative to increase the online presence of its students and stakeholders through its consultancy cell by offering to develop professional websites at ₹2,495 and thus reducing the dependence on paper. So the whole concept, as we are talking today, it is more or less the start towards our journey towards green, which in any case from the management side, from the faculty side, we have already ventured. And now today we want and we would like to extend the same approach even for our students and not holding on just to the students. SMS today is offering the same offer for the online presence at the price of 4,495 even to the public. Now, not taking much time, I would now like to hand over the dais to Mrs. Anjana Harish to take the things further. Thank you.